Hi all, this is Harun Sheikh, JCO, Border Roads, Ministry of Defence, Indian Army. I take the privilege in defining that I have come from an institute named Adi Shankara Institute of Technology in the vicinity of Nellore. Currently I am working in the borders of China under Ministry of Defence to check into the roads and maintenances. We connects and cares for the roads of border roads. Positive. Unveil you the things from my institute as a graduate from Adi Shankara Institute of Technology. See, this is one of the best institutes which I can say within the vicinity of Nellore districts. I have come from a very rural background and this is the best institute for the people who have very little literary backgrounds. So the infrastructure and staff are all such a cooperative and supportive that you need not find what you are. They make you what you are. So you just need to make the best choice of making Adi Shankara as an institute. It frames you everything. Now let me unveil you the things happened in my career and my life in the stepping stones of Adi Shankara. So coming to the very premiere, I have been very nascent to the college, and as I stepped in, I have seen that everything is going new, but things are not very new. The staff and the coordinative environment and the infrastructure facilitates you in such a way that you feel that you are in a home. So I can definitely say Adi Shankara Institute of Technology is a second home to me. I always love and make privilege to go to the college daily, and they make us to generate new thoughts and experiment new things. So when you have new thoughts and new experiments in your mind, the world is yours. And one such environment for that is the knowledge center which you have in Adi Shankara group of institutions. So in the knowledge center, you explore your ideas and you get communicated to the seniors, with the staff, and you get the complete infrastructure, and you have a big volume of library which makes you to aware with the national and international and global awareness journals. So which helps you to make a new projects, new thinkings, new ideologies and everything. So coming to the very premiere episodes, I have started my career as a site supervisor and next moved on to an associate professor and next moved on to a project manager in L&T like reputed companies, and I am handling 2 more companies in parallel to my job, and one more consider is the pride of the nation working for the Ministry of Defences. So coming to the very front thing, as I entered into the institute in a nascent sense, the competitions, the seminars, the communicative labs have enhanced my communication skills, which is a vital role in making the career and framing yourself. So coming to the next episode, the inter-competitions being held within the institutes, within the departments, help you to correct yourself, explore yourself, know yourself, and emphasize you, the empathy in you, and enlighten you. So coming after to the internal competitions, the competitions make you to coordinate with one another. You come into the exposure of multiple sectors. As a civil engineer, I work with the hydel projects, I work with the roads, I work with the electrical department, mechanical department, working with lot of machinery. So as time goes on, you mingle with the institutes and other departments, you come to know more. So as a civilized engineer, you need to coordinate with everybody. Not a single stream works on single thing. So you need to have a cumulative knowledge. So cumulative knowledge, Adi Shankara is one of the best places, because the inter-competitions within the department helps you to associate one another and work on a single episode and explore you a lot more. And coming to the episodes of these, after being internally you have been strong within the department of yours and in the college, you can learn a lot more things. Adi Shankara helps you to explore the things in better way. So as such, like, we have participated in reputed NITs and IITs in paper presentations, poster presentations and lot more. We have won certain certifications which I have learned within the institute and helped me to explore outer layers. Oscar. So this competitive environment and spirit makes you to learn a lot more. So I have been to reputed NITs like NIT Suratgal with the core staff from various departments. All together we have participated, we have won, and we have made some benchmark notations. So similarly, these particular things of exploring yourself and your ideology helps you to crack a lot of interviews. One such, I have cracked all these interviews in a single stage. So this helps us to propagate our knowledge, leverage our knowledges, and build our career and know ourselves. And being from a rural background, it's not less. Not all people makes you small. So these things which are available within the institute, like the library volumes, the journals of national and international, your participation, their cooperation in your activity, and their rectification methodologies for you. Everything helps you to learn more. And secondary thing is that the most important thing which I love to mention, in the group of Adi Shankara Institutes, you get the faculty of working professionals. So I can take the name of you which you can find in and around. Some AWEs used to come to us to lecture us, teach us, guide us how the practical sense works and how the theoretical concept you have learned and what makes the interrelationship between the textbook and the grounds. So as such things, when the field experts come up to you to teach you, we got some experts from GMR institutes, we got experts from some AWEs, AEs and some field experts to teach us. And now I am a bridging masterpiece in the border roads. This was the kind cooperation of our beloved principal who is acting now, Mr. Venuvadu sir. So he has brought a faculty from Bangalore. So he is a bridging expert. So his kind knowledge helped me to make a stage and platform for myself, and I am a bridging master and an estimation specialist and an analytical engineer completely. So these things which you can't find in the other institutions help you now to propagate yourself, see to the market environment, learn the things better way and propagate yourself into the right path. The leveragement of knowledge is 100% possible from Adi Shankara. Being in a semi-urban location, it has framed many people's career. So semi-urban people are living in a metropolitan cities now and in the greater cities and to multinational companies and worldwide. The wing of Adi Shankara have expanded to the global. In the recent times, these people have been aggregated in with lot of certifications that these people have now global recognition. The location may be semi-urban, but the knowledge and the wisdom has no space. It can be enhanced to any level. It is expanded to lot more. See, now completely I take that selecting Adi Shankara as one of my career opportunity spaces to generate myself as a best class engineer is one of the wisest decisions in my life, and I call this Adi Shankara rather than my college a second home to live in. And finally, this is Harun Sheikh, JCO, Border Roads, Ministry of Defence. Thank you very much.